Cultivation of virus. Cultivation of virus. The cultivation of viruses involves growing and maintaining them in controlled environment so they can be studied or used for various purposes such as research, vaccine production, and biotechnological applications. Since viruses cannot replicate on their own, they need a host cell to reproduce. They are typically cultivated in living cell, which can either be plant, animal, or bacterial cell, depend on the virus being studied. Steps for cultivation of virus: selection of host cell या organism, reparation of host system, inoculation of host with virus, incubation period, detection of virus growth, harvesting of virus, purification, characterization and analysis, and the last, storage. Selection of host cell या organism: animal virus, cultivated animal या human cell lines, example virocells या HEK293 cells. Bacteria viruses, bacteriophages, cultivated in bacterial cultures. Plant viruses, cultivated in plant tissue culture या whole plant. Viruses required a host to replicate, so selecting an appropriate host in the first step. The choice of host depend on the virus species. Common for the system include cell culture, example mammalian, insect या bacterial cell, embryonated eggs for viruses like the flu virus, and laboratory animal in case where other methods are not feasible. Number 2, preparation of host system for cell culture. Cell grow in petri flask या petri dishes, usually in nutrient rich media. The media provide essential for nutrient for the cell to grow and divide. For embryonated eggs, the virus is injected into the eggs, usually in allantoic sac या yolk sac, depend on the virus. In case of animal, viruses are introduced into the animals through various methods, example injection, inhalation, etc. Number 3, incubation of host with virus. The virus introduced into the host system. The virus inject the host cell, hijacking the cellular machinery to replicate and produce viral progeny. For cell cultures, the virus is added directly to the culture medium containing the host cell. The virus particle will attach to the cell and begin injecting them. For eggs and animal, the virus is administered in a manner suitable for a specific system. Number 4, in incubation period. After inoculation, the culture is incubated under optimal condition for viral growth. The period allows the virus to replicate within the host cell, producing viral particle. The length of the incubation varies depending on the virus. Number 5, detection of virus growth, cytopathic effect. In cell culture, the effect of the virus on the host cell often used to mentor viral replication. Virus can cause visible damage to the cell, such as cell death or changes in cell morphology. Plug formation: in some cases, the virus is cultured in the layer of cell. Individual viral particle can be detected as plug clear zone formed by cell death. Other methods like tests like PCR, ELISA can also be used to detect and quantify virus replication. Number 6, harvesting of virus. After a sufficient amount of viral replication, the virus is harvested. Cell culture: the affected cell culture medium is collected and the virus is purified. Alternate cell may be lysed or released to the virus. As eggs, the virus is cultivated from egg internal fluid. Animal, the virus is excreted from tissue या bodily fluids. Number 7, purification. After harvesting, the virus is often purified to remove cell debris and other unwanted components. This may involve centrifugation to separate viral particle from other material, filtration to remove larger particle, chromatography for further purification, isolation of the virus. Number 8, characterization and analysis. After the virus is cultured and purified, it is often characterized using various methods like electron microscope, PCR या immunological assays to confirm its identify and assess its properties. Number 9, storage. Once the virus is cultivated and purified, it can be stored for various use. Common storage method like include freezing at low temperature -80 degrees centigrade या in liquid nitrogen, lyophilization, freeze drying for long-term storage. The general process can be based on the type of various being cultured and the specific research या production goals.